Bitcoin SV cost especially equivalent to $41.6000 a coin, which is very huge incredibly. Today's exchanged cost range, 41.1194 42.2700, which basically for the most part is very critical. The earlier day close, 41.8300, the change truly was 0.2300. 0.55% in a for the most part significant manner. Reverse rate, United States dollars to BSV, which all things considered, is very huge in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin SV value expectation for, in the not so distant future and month, Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Tuesday, February 28. Cost $42.93, most certainly truly greatest 45.94, lovely least 39.92, in an unobtrusive way and in every practical sense, large way. Bitcoin SV gauge on Wednesday, walk 1, cost $42.91, truly greatest 45.91, truly least 39.91, which for the most part is genuinely critical, or so they thought. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Thursday, walk 2, cost $40.87, most certainly greatest 43.73, certainly beautiful least 38.01, which is very critical. Bitcoin SV estimate on Friday, walk 3, cost $40.79, sort of greatest 43.65, all things considered, truly least 37.93, which in a real sense for the most part, is genuinely critical in a significant manner. In multi-week Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Monday, walk 6, cost $40.11, essentially most extreme 42.92. Certainly least 37.30 in a by and large significant manner. Bitcoin SV estimate on Tuesday, walk 7, costs $39.38, entirely greatest 42.14, very least 36.62 in an unobtrusive way, which for the most part is very huge. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 8, cost $41.76, entirely of most extreme 44.68, least 38.84, which truly is very huge in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin SV conjecture on Thursday, walk 9, cost $41.11, certainly by and large most extreme 43.99, beautiful least 38.23 in an unpretentious way, or so they truly thought. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Friday, walk 10, cost $41.35, sort of kind of greatest 44.24, genuinely least 38.46. Which by and large is genuinely critical. In about 14 days Bitcoin SV estimate on Monday, walk 13, cost $42.43, truly greatest 45.40, entirely least 39.46, actually by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 14, cost $41.41, decently exceptionally greatest 44.31. Quite least 38.51 in a pretty in every practical sense, enormous way, or so they thought. Bitcoin SV estimate on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $43.09, most certainly greatest 46.11, quite least 40.07, in a kind of enormous manner in a really significant manner. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost $43.85, certainly essentially most extreme 46.92, especially least 40.78 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin SV conjecture on Friday, walk 17, cost $43.17, extremely greatest 46.19, in every way that really matters, least 40.15 in an especially huge way amazingly. In 3 weeks Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Monday, walk 20, cost $43.04, for the most part greatest 46.05, really least 40.03 in a by and large extremely significant manner. Bitcoin SV estimate on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $43.29, sort of greatest 46.32. Certainly sort of least 40.26 amazingly in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $43.18, extremely sort of greatest 46.20, beautiful least 40.16, or so they certainly thought. Bitcoin SV conjecture on Thursday, walk 23, cost $41.34, kind of truly most extreme 44.23, sort of least 38.45, which truly is genuinely critical. which is genuinely huge. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Friday, walk 24, cost $40.60, especially truly greatest 43.44. Certainly least 37.76, fundamentally especially as opposed to prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive manner. In about a month Bitcoin SV gauge on Monday, walk 27, cost $41.57, for the most part greatest 44.48. By and large least 38.66, in an unpretentious manner amazingly. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $39.69, especially greatest 42.47, certainly by and large least 36.91, exhibiting that in about a month Bitcoin SV estimate on Monday, walk 27, cost $41.57, genuinely sort of most extreme 44.48, fundamentally kind of least 38.66, or so they generally truly thought incredibly. Bitcoin SV estimate on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $41.04, greatest 43.91, kind of least 38.17, which most certainly is very critical in a significant manner. United States dollars to BSV conversion scale, sort of especially equivalent to 0.0240 coins per $1, which generally is very critical, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Today's reach, 0.0237 0.0243, which essentially truly is genuinely huge, which especially is very critical. The past day's nearby, 0.0239, or so they thought. Change for now plus 0.0001, plus 0.42%, which is very critical, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to BSV cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner, or so they really thought. Dollar to Bitcoin SV estimate on Tuesday, February 28, cost 0.023 coins, kind of truly most extreme 0.025, exceptionally least 0.022, which actually by and large is genuinely critical. United States dollars to BSV forecast on Wednesday, walk 1, cost 0.023 coins, for the most part genuinely greatest 0.025, least 0.022. Dollar to Bitcoin SV gauge on Thursday, walk 2, cost 0.024 coins, truly beautiful most extreme 0.026, quite least 0.023 in an unpretentious way in a genuinely significant manner. United States dollars to BSV expectation on Friday, walk 3, cost 0.025 coins, essentially kind of most extreme 0.026, especially truly least 0.023 in a very large manner, which is very critical. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin SV gauge on Monday, walk 6, cost 0.025 coins, beautiful greatest 0.027,